Hello, Lucy. Good afternoon.
Amy，你发的邮件我看了，有点不对劲啊。
Oh, which one? Please send it to me to take a look. Strange why I didn't see the email, Lucy said. Hold on, I will contact the person in charge of email security immediately to deal with it. Surely, the customer said they received a problematic email, but I didn't send it.
Don't worry, I'll check it for you. I saw the attacker 3 days ago. They stole your email and sent a lot of phishing emails.
Then why can't I see this email?
The attacker is using your email address after sending the phishing email. It was deleted. Is that why you can't see?
This is too scary. Is there any way to prevent it? But my email password is not simple either. How was it stolen?
Because they take advantage of dynamic IP and automated scripts to control the number of attempts to steal and the time interval. Finally blow up your mailbox.
It's also terrible. Is there any way to prevent it?
For full-scale blasting, requires advanced cybersecurity expertise. But in your case, it has been stolen. Can remember, here are 4. Be sure to check the email you are carefully to ensure it is legal. Receiving an email from the company, be sure to distinguish between serious and false first, and it is best to find the person in charge to verify. The link must start with HTTPS. Prevent phishing emails, not HTTPS to prohibit account information. Don't trust financial change emails. Be sure to call or chat to confirm the authenticity first.